This enormous machine is the latest development from one of the most trusted machine tool brands in Taiwan, Johnford. Johnford have been building very large machining centers for many years, but this one is special. This is the very first moving column, moving gantry, heavy-duty machining center from any Taiwanese machine builder. This is the 16-meter travel SDMC-16000 from Johnford. The difficulty with any machine incorporating both moving column and moving gantry is maintaining positional accuracy. Johnford has worked very hard to ensure that despite the huge size of this machine, machining accuracy is always maintained by the massive structural support and design of the SDMC-16000. This delivers 16 meters of x-axis travel, 4.6 meters of y-axis gantry travel, and can handle workpieces up to 4,000 millimeters wide. So this machine is superbly capable of handling the very largest workpieces for heavy industry machining. To maintain positional accuracy on this machine, all of the axes incorporate Heidenhain closed-loop optical scales, so even with the 16 meters of x-axis travel, you still maintain that micron accuracy that customers demand. As this model is over 11 meters, Johnford uses a preloaded twin rack and pinion drive system for the moving gantry and rail that delivers the precise, efficient movement that you need. This system gives you faster feed rates than ball screw systems and also avoids the accuracy issues that can occur with deformation in extra long ball screws. Also, in these longer models, the operator and control panel ride on a platform with the moving column for operational safety and efficiency. With this huge moving rail and head, Johnford uses a super rigid ram-type spindle design to allow for extra deep boring, milling and drilling operations whilst maintaining precision. Additionally, the SDMC-16000 features double hydraulic counterbalances to provide very high stability. The 3000 RPM belt drive high-low gear spindle on this model delivers 37 kilowatts or 45 kilowatts of cutting power to the BT50 head for the toughest cutting cycles. On the SDMC series, the ATC is column mounted to save in tool change time. These SDMCs from Johnford are built for the really big cutting jobs, and the company can deliver them in many configurations, with x-axis travel from 5,000 to an incredible 30,000 millimeters of travel for the very largest heavy industry machining challenges.